Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you with a video or a question that we get asked on, and we also see it in a lot of systems that we listen to at car audio shows, and people getting like a hiss or a hum or some sort of crazy background noise in their system while they're playing it, even if it's just sitting there not playing anything. It has this crazy noise in it. First thing, it could be your source, like your head unit or like whatever you're starting the sound out from. It could be not of good quality. You could have a bad file, like if your music is not clean, it could be that, and then obviously your source unit, head unit is just amplifying that. It's just playing back what you're giving it. The next thing could be that you have like bad RCAs, like cheap RCAs are another thing that can do it. That like if you don't have quality RCAs, it could give you bad transmission of the signal going through there. There's been I don't know, some people say it's a myth, but there's been a saying like don't run your RCAs on the same side of the vehicle as your power and ground wires going back to your system. They said that can cause noise, but a lot of times like bad grounds are also another thing that cause like hissing or a background noise. They call it like a ground loop. So we have things like this. This is a noise filter. People have been loving these. You can look at the reviews on these online and they're outstanding. It helps a ton, but it can only help so much. So you want to do everything that you can. If you have done that, you make sure your grounds are clean, make sure you're going to your frame. Like before you ground your system, like make sure you're scraping off all the paint really good. This is a big thing. People don't do that. They just put it right on top of the paint. Wonder why they're getting poor sound, poor performance out of their amplifier, things like that. So that's another big thing that can cause it. So check on those things. But again, if like you've done all those things, you still have some noise, you can grab you one of these noise filters. I think they're like 25 bucks. People have been loving these. Very high quality. We got our nice Down for Sound RCAs on here and Tiffany style RCA connections. So, you know, top quality stuff coming from Down for Sound for a great price. So check those out, and yeah, that should help you a lot on like why you're getting that noise. Oh, one other thing, bonus tip. Some head units in the back, like people will ground the back of the head unit. Like this is a known thing. They'll take like a ground wire and go to the frame and they'll wrap it around the RCA connections on the back of the head unit. And this happens to help a lot. So keep that in your toolbox too. You can check that out. And you can even Google it. I know there's been thousands of people that have done that over the years and it's helped a lot. Anyway, we're going to conclude this video there. If you need anything, hit us up, downforsoundshop.com, or give us a call, 702-701-9800. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.